Let me deal now with the last of the three principal organs we wanted to deal with, namely the Economic and Social Council. In the Economic and Social Council, we have sessions, yet the identification of documents of the Economic and Social Council is based on the year. So a basic ECOSOC document will consist of the following elements. First, the letter E, followed by slash, followed by the year info, 2004 for instance, followed by the number in the series, beginning with number 1 for each year. In the example shown to you, you have a document E 2004/50. It's a document, it's the 50th document of the year 2004. As you know, the Economic and Social Council has a large number of very important subsidiary organs. They are essential organs for the work of the Council: Commission on Human Rights, Commission on the Status of Women, Statistical Commission, and Commission on Sustainable Development. All those are very important organs that prepare the work of the ECOSOC for its main session. We'll see some typical symbols of those subsidiary organs. For instance, the Committee for Program and Coordination is identified as follows: E, followed by AC 51, followed by the year 2004, folled by the number in the series. So E, AC 51, 2004, 3 would be a typical document of the Committee for Program and Coordination. Another organ, which is a permanent one, this one, Commission on Sustainable Development, will have a different kind of symbol. As you can see on the chart, ECN 17 will be a typical symbol for the Committee on Sustainable Development. So all documents of that commission will bear that symbol. ACN 17, 2004-5 will be an example of a document of that commission. Other symbols? Well, here you will see on your list a draft resolution, a typical draft resolution of the Economic and Social Council. You see first E, 2004. L stands for the fact that it's a draft resolution or draft decision or amendment. L stands again for limited distribution, followed by 15. So it's likely to be the 15th document, possibly a draft resolution, it could be a draft decision or an amendment issued in 2004. The General Assembly and the Security Council receive verbatim records of their meetings. So in the case of the General Assembly, you remember we had a PV, a 59 PV, which was a verbatim record of the plenary of the General Assembly. The same was true of the Security Council. Security Council will have PVs, which means verbatim records. Everything that is said in the Council is reproduced verbatim. But the Economic and Social Council is not so fortunate. So everything that is said in the Council is not reproduced verbatim. As a result, we don't use the letters PV, but we use the letters SR, which stands for Summary Record. This is the example of the 12th summary record of the 12th plenary meeting of the Economic and Social Council in 2004. Dual symbols, just as we had dual symbols between the General Assembly and the Security Council, here is the case of a dual symbol document which pertains both to the General Assembly and the Economic and Social Council. As you can see, it bears the identification of the General Assembly at the 59th session. It's the 287th document of the 59th session of the General Assembly. It is also the 53rd document in 2004 of the Economic and Social Council.